April 6th, 2018, 2 days after the great big storm that we had come through, 60 plus mile an hour winds, raised waves 23 feet high on Lake Ontario. I'm back in the woods, and this was the grandpa tree. This is the biggest tree we had. It's a beech. It was racked at the base a number of years ago. It started to twist, and we knew it was inevitable. But today, or 2 days ago, was the day it came down. Luckily, it came down all the way down, and I don't have it hung up someplace. Here's my gloves for reference. This is a big guy. This has got to be 70 or 75 feet high. Now there's some limbs of it way up there, okay? Comes down. It's going to be a lot of cleanup. But since we burn with wood, maybe not this year, but next year it's going to be our wood supply for the winter. The trunk is in excess of 2 feet in diameter. It's a shame, but it just goes to show you the power of Mother Nature. Cleanup will begin when it gets a little warmer.